In this video, we're going to make import of another method from this of our Tkinter. And we will be able to import this of our TTK method. We're able to initialize that of a progress bar that we can see kind of a loading bar. So in this video, we're going to look at file dialog. We're going to look at how you can open a file, how you can save a file, how you can, I think, get the directory, a whole lot of other things by make use of this method instead of this of our Tkinter. Before we can do that, we need to import it. So from this Tkinter, we need to import what? That of dialog. You can see the file dialog. So to do this, let's come down here. Let me come down here. I can say let me just give it because we'll begin with. Okay, let me just give it files. So here we can see that we can call that of our file dialog. So here we're going to, since this is a module, we need to call that function that is inside of this of our module. So the first we are going to do is to get the file that we want to, and maybe a particular file name. So we are going to say ask what open what file name. So sorry, name file one. This as file name, what is this basically going to do? Just simple. When we run this, it's going to open our file explorer. It's going to tell us to select a particular file. So when we print that file, it's going to give us the name of the file that we want. That's all, the name of the file that we select. That this asks open and file name is a function, so we need to close it. We need to close it with our open and close braces. So let's say in a situation a particular image that I want to get the name of the file, the name of the file that I selected. So let me run this. Immediately once you run this, it's going to prompt this kind of image for you. So let's say in my situation, I want to go into this of my let me say this of my phone image. Then let's say I want to select maybe this image, for example. Then I want to know the name of the file. You can select any image of your choice. So when I hit open, remember what I did down here. Let me close all. You can see I printed out the name of the file. So when I run it, we should be expecting the name of the file to be, or the full path to that file to be displayed on my screen. So let me run this again. Let me hit open. You can see down here I got the full path to where the that of the image was being stored. So let's say in a situation you want to save a particular file. Maybe you have a name of the file that you want to save. We're going to make it. You can say ask what save file. See, since it's a function to add our close and open, we need to close it by making it open and close braces. So let me run this a little bit. Can it prompt me? I should save a particular file. Let's just say I want to save it. Easy kit, and then to select a file type. I wonder why it's not telling me to select a file type, so I need to actually set that. But when I hit save, you can see, let me hit save, you can see something kind of a coding mode is equals to right, and then easy kit will say. So if I go to this of my phone, if I go to this of my document, phone image, and that's this of our go to this of our phone image, easy keys. Inside of this of our document, we should see the name of this file, which is written easy key. So let's do that. So let me go. This is my phone image. So it's inside of my document. So I'll just go to my, where's my phone image? Okay, this is it. Phone image, and then this is it. Easy keys is an empty file. There's nothing inside of it. So I want us to see example how it works. You can start to save your file by setting the parameters of the file type you want, and then save it. So this can be really situation where I want somebody to input a file to save it in that of GUI format. When I did a video on that of OS module, whereby we did this in the back, that we can actually know what the sweet part of the GUI. We actually just what we actually did was just to save it, do other file things that we did, but we're not actually to see the beautiful part of it by making use of it in GUI form. So there's still a lot of other method, I can say other functions that this of our file dialog method provide for us, but these two is just the main one that I want us to look at. Actually select a file and then get the part that you can make use of in your automation, and then you can actually select a particular file that you want to save. I think with this should be more than enough. There's another one you can actually ask for that of the directory, the name of the directory. If you select a part, you can ask for that of the directory by making your ask directory, and then to give you the name of the directory. But I think with this, you shall have a little bit of understanding of how this file dialog work. There's a lot of other things, like I said, there are a whole lot of other ones, but I'll just to pause and stop here for now. When we do a music player, we're going to understand how all these things work. I think this should be the end for the video. If you enjoyed, don't forget to subscribe, also hit the like button. If you enjoyed this video, I'll be happy to see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.